Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a calculator in Thunkable. First, open Thunkable and create a new blank project. Drag and drop button components for numbers 0 through 9, and for basic operations like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Also, add a text input or label to display the numbers and results. Arrange these elements to form a familiar calculator interface. Now let's dive into the blocks editor. When a number button is clicked, append its digit to the current display. For operation buttons, store the current display value as the first number and the operation itself. When the equals button is pressed, retrieve the second number from the display, perform the stored operation, and show the final answer. To make your calculator more user-friendly, add a clear button that resets the display and any stored numbers. Also, include a decimal point button, ensuring it can only be pressed once per number. For advanced functionality, you might even add a backspace button to delete the last digit entered, improving input accuracy. Finally, it's crucial to thoroughly test your calculator. Try different number combinations, including large numbers, small numbers, and zero, to ensure all operations work correctly. Debug any issues you find, refining your blocks until the calculator performs flawlessly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.